Hi, this is Ravi again from the Nifty BN channel. Previously, we learned how to enter an iron condor trade using the ATM straddle method and India VIX method. But is there a way to enter the trade in a simpler manner without needing to do any of these calculations? To know the answer, keep watching the video. Today, we'll learn how to enter an options trade using the option Greek delta. But what is delta? Delta is one of the option Greeks, the other being gamma, vega, theta and rho. But let's limit the scope of this video to delta. Delta measures how much the price of an option is expected to change per 1 unit change in the price of the underlying security or index. For example, a delta of zero point 0.5 means that the option's price will theoretically move zero point 0.5 for every 1 unit move in the price of the underlying security or index. Let's look at an example to understand this better. Say the spot price of Nifty is 9300 and the premium of the at the money 9300 call option is 235. Assuming the delta of the ATM call option is zero point 0.5, if Nifty moves to 9400, the premium of the call option would then be 235 plus zero point 0.5 into 100, that is 285. This is assuming the other factors that determine the price of the options remain constant. Delta is however not constant and keeps changing over a period of time. It depends on various factors such as volatility, interest rates, and time to expiration. The delta of an option ranges in value from 0 to 1 for calls and 0 to -1 for puts. Far out of the money options have delta values close to 0, while deep in the money options have deltas that are close to 1. At the money options have delta values between 0.45 and 0.55. Another way to look at delta is that it provides a probability estimate of the likelihood that the option will be in the money by expiration. That is, a delta of zero point 0.2 means the likelihood that the option will be in the money by expiration is 20%. Now, let's see how we can use this important aspect of delta to our benefit in our option strategies, especially iron condors and strangles. Although there are some tools available to calculate the Greeks such as the Black-Scholes options calculator, we'll show you an easier way to get the values. Please download the Edelweiss mobile trader app from the App Store and open it. Go to the derivative section in watch markets and then click on option chain. You can then select an expiry date from the drop down menu on the right. Enable show Greeks and you would get to see the Greeks associated with each strike price. Scroll further down and you would get to see a visual option chain where you can find at which strike price the maximum open interest is concentrated at. Now let's go through the process again and determine which strike price has a delta value of zero point 0.2 for the April 30th series so that we can go ahead with our options trade. Not all strike prices are shown in the first screen. So let's scroll down and click on show all. A closer look at the call options on the left would reveal that the 9800 strike price has a delta value of 0.19. And similarly, a look at the put options on the right would reveal that the 8700 strike price has a delta value of 0.19. We chose the strike prices of options with a delta of zero point 0.2 on both the call and put sides as the likelihood that these options will be in the money by expiration is 20%. Now that we have determined the options that have a delta of zero point 0.2, let's see how we can deploy an iron condor trade using these values. Buy one lot of 8400 put, sell one lot of 8700 put, sell one lot of 9800 call, buy one lot of 10100 call. The probability of profit at expiry for this trade is about 65% and the break-even points are at 86.29 and 98.71. The maximum profit at expiry is 53.48 and maximum loss at expiry is 17.153. You can learn how these values are determined from our video on Iron Condor, a link to which is provided in the description. Enter this trade at your own risk. This is not a recommendation. Another useful option in the Edelweiss mobile trader app is option calculator, in which you can find the theoretical option prices of the ATM call and put options and also their Greek values. There is also a do it yourself tab where you can calculate the value of a particular option at a particular target price and a target date. For example, let's calculate the value of the Nifty 23rd April 9200 strike price option at a target price of 10,000 and a target date of expiry. The answer turns out to be 800 for the call option and 0 for the put option, which is on the expected lines. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have on this video in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.